it's your girl Olive, and this is my day at Overland Expo. Hi, that's my mom and my brother. That kid got scared, haha. I love that for me. Anyway, let's keep going, shall we? Okay, here we have our first hating ass bitch. I don't know what the heck her problem was, but she don't want this smoke. Bitch. Okay, look at this handsome mutt. He wanted to be with me so bad. Can't blame him. Okay, another hating ass bitch who didn't want the smoke. Okay, this is my handsome dad, and we're taking a break, having a snack and some water before we head back to the car. And I guess my brother, who sat in his pouch the whole time, is somehow thirsty too. Okay, and finally here are a pair of handsome corgis with some juicy booties for some last-minute eye candy before we headed back to the car. Okay guys, till next time, thanks for watching.